Okay, so as you can see here, I'm using the time underscore t. So this is pretty much an arithmetic type, which is contained in the ctime function. So here, what we are pretty much doing is, I run my code. As you can see right here, I'm just gonna do that. So as you can see here, on line 32, like I said, this is an arithmetic type, which is contained within the ctime function. So on line 35, what I'm pretty much doing is converting, the current time and date into a string, okay? And then I'll pass it in as an argument in the ctime. And then on line 37, it will then display the string. Okay, so pretty much here what's happening is I'm concatenating, it is now with whatever, date and time we have currently. And remember, this is now a string. And as I hover through it, you can actually see that now it's showing me that today is a Saturday, the 17th, and the time, with the year. So let me keep stepping over. Okay, so now you can see that is now is being put to the time t, which is what I explained earlier on. Okay, and now you can see that it's showing this. Okay, it's showing the result, which is what we have on line 37. Okay, so these are the results we're getting as we do that. And then let me step over again. And then with the total, so you can see that I have an array here, okay, and I'm using a for loop just right here, okay. This is where I'm using the for loop. So um um so each time I traverse these numbers, what's happening is I'm getting the total, okay. So what's happening is whatever depending on the numbers that I have in my array, it's just going to increment and adding, okay? It's going to add 10 to everything, okay? And then once it does that, I'm just going to have a total of 10. Oh, sorry. I'm going to have a total of, let me step over again, 55, okay? So if I do my math, if I do add everything here, I'll still get that 55, So the I is starting from the index 0. So I'm going to have 1 here, okay? And then I'm going to have a 2. I'm going to have a 3 until I traverse, the entire list, adding everything, and then I'll get that 55.